I need to start out by giving a shout out to you before I say anything else because my sophomores, my three classes of sophomores, are doing so well with this distance learning thing. Overall, as a group, you guys have been getting your stuff done and doing well, and I really appreciate it. So thank you. This is not easy for me, and the message just came out the other day about how we won't be going back to school this year. So I'm sorry, and I know that this is hard, and this is not how I wanted to do these books with you. I would way rather be in class talking together and discussing and reading as a group. So I'm sorry that we're dealing with this, but thank you, thank you, thank you. You're making my life so much easier by getting your work done and completing stuff on time and, sending me emails. And I've talked to a lot of you, and it's just so nice to hear from you, and I really appreciate you. So I miss you a lot, and thank you. For this week, technically, I need you to know that there is no school on Friday. It's for staff development. So, no school Friday. But for this week, your job is to finish reading the things they carried. So, for Monday, I have you reading chapter 20. For Tuesday, I want you to finish reading chapter 20. I'm giving you 2 days because it's a little bit longer. And then you can start working on this draft stories assignment anytime you want. This will be the one assignment for this week that'll make sure that you're marked as present for the week for class. So make sure you do this assignment. It's really cool. It's about real Vietnam War veterans, and you get to read some stories written by real veterans. So that assignment's due by Friday. Wednesday, read chapter 21. Thursday, read chapter 22, and that is it. That's the end of the book, which is really exciting. So we'll be done reading the things they carried. So finish the book, finish that draft stories assignment. And the thing that you really need to know is that the final test on the things they carried is going to be next week on Wednesday, and you will have to take that test on Wednesday. So please be ready for that. We're almost done with this book. Test next Wednesday, and love you guys and miss you. Talk to you soon.